Fancy.
The door is not working.
You know why it's not working?
Oh no.
Because there's no more battery. We need to charge.
That's my door.
Of course it's yours. Nobody is taking your Tua. It's yours.
Yours.
It's Fancy's Tua.
It's yours.
Mommy is only telling you why it's not working because there's no more battery. Yes.
Mommy?
It's not working because no more battery. We need to...
Mommy?
Yes. Yes, please. Tell mommy. Tell mommy. We need to charge your Tua.
Mommy?
Yeah. Tell mommy.
Mommy?
Yes. Tell mommy. So, can you give it to mommy and mommy will put in the charger?
No, that's my door. That's my door.
Yeah, it's your Tua.
It's yours.
Tua is a tablet. That's his tablet. He called
Oh,
tablet
no.
Tua. Can you say tablet?
No.
Fans, tablet, not Tua. But ever since he called tablet Tua, iPad Tua.
That's my door.
Yes, it's yours. It's yours. Nobody's claiming it. It's yours. It's Fancy's Tua.
Mommy's door.
No, mommy has her own Tua. So can you give it to mommy and we put in the charger?
It's yours. Mommy?
Yeah.
It's yours.
This is mine. This is mommy. It's yours.
Have to share.
Of course, sharing is
Caring.
bravo, good boy. So tell me why are you crying? Why are you crying? Can you tell mommy why you're crying?
The voice is working.
What is working?
The lights.
The lights? Okay. So can I put this on charging? Can I put this on the charge? Why
No, have to share. That's my door.
Yes, it's your Tua. What mommy wants you to do is to give to mommy and mommy will charge your Tua. Is that clear?
Not door.
Oh, tablet.
It's not door.
Tablet. Can you say tablet?
It's not door.
Yeah, of course. It's not Tua. You are the one who called it Tua. It's a tablet.
Stop it.
Yeah, bravo. So from now on, don't say Tua. Don't call it Tua. Say tablet. Tablet.
It's going down.
I think we need to go to bed for a nap. Can we go? Vance? Can we go to bed and take a nap
No.
for an hour?
No, don't go. Don't go on the bed.
You don't go to bed.
Don't go.
What about milk? You don't want milk? Huh?
Don't open there.
Oh, only if you go to bed. If you don't go to bed, mommy will not give you the milk.
No, milk, don't open there.
Okay, come with me. Come with mommy. We go to bed. Come with mommy.
Make poo-poo.
Okay, we change your nappy. You have poo-poo? We change your nappy.
Make poo.
Okay, come. We change your nappy first and then we go to bed, okay?
Make nappy.
What?
Take a nap.
Okay, we take a nap and change nappy. Good boy. So can we put your...
Don't go in this. Don't go in this.
Wait.
Don't go in